Welcome to WebStylePress. I have provided 20 response tones or moods in ChatGPT. Writing styles, however, differ from response tones. Response tones include qualities such as authoritative, cold, confident, or emotional, whereas writing styles encompass categories like academic, analytical, argumentative, creative, and more. In this video, we will explore how to generate various types of content using 20 different writing styles with ChatGPT. First, I will choose a default sentence as our base sentence. This represents our first writing style, the default style, generic style. Sentence is technology shapes our lives. We will transform the sentence into 19 other writing styles using ChatGPT. This demonstration will provide insight into the possibilities when generating content, enabling you to create content specifically tailored to your target audience. By attracting the precise audience you desire, your reach and revenue will increase. I have excellent examples to share with you. This is base sentence that I intend to rewrite in different writing styles after your confirmation. Technology shapes our lives. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. The base sentence you provided is technology shapes our lives. I can help you rewrite this sentence in different writing styles. Please let me know which styles you would like me to use. Alright, let's rephrase this sentence using various writing styles. Rather than focusing on the content of the sentence, pay close attention to how it evolves in response to each writing style. I will also provide explanations for the specific use of each writing style. Academic style. Rewrite base sentence in academic style. So sentence was technology shapes our lives, and when we convert it to academic style, it's now the persuasive influence of technology plays a significant role in molding the contemporary human experience. Academic style is used in scholarly articles, research papers, and textbooks. This style emphasizes precision, formality, and complexity to present a rigorous analysis and well-founded conclusions. Analytical style. Rewrite base sentence in analytical style. By examining the various ways in which technology impacts daily activities, it becomes evident that it serves as a driving force in the evolution of our modern lives. Analytical style is employed when dissecting ideas, themes, or data. This style focuses on the examination of evidence and the logical relationships between elements. It is commonly used in reports, essays, and articles that require in-depth understanding. Argumentative style. Rewrite base sentence in argumentative style. The assertion that technology serves as a fundamental determinant in the course of human development and daily interactions is both indisputable and essential to understanding the progression of society. Argumentative style is used when presenting a viewpoint or advocating for a position, often in essays, opinion pieces, or debates. It relies on reasoning, evidence, and persuasive language to convince readers or listeners of the validity of the argument. Conversational style. Rewrite base sentence in conversational style. It's pretty amazing how much technology has changed the way we live our lives, right? Conversational style is mimicking everyday speech. This informal style is used in dialogue, interviews, and casual communication. It creates an approachable, relatable tone, making it suitable for blogs, social media, and podcasts. Creative style. Like an invisible puppeteer, technology weaves its threads through the fabric of our existence, reshaping the tapestry of our lives with each passing innovation. Creative style is employed in fiction, poetry, and other imaginative works. This style uses unique language, literary devices, and engaging narratives to convey ideas or tell stories that entertain or inspire. Critical style. While technology undeniably holds the power to transform the landscape of our lives, one must also evaluate its potential consequences and the extent to which it dictates the course of human progress. Critical style is used in critiques, reviews, and essays. This style examines the strength and weakness of a subject and offers a balanced, thoughtful assessment. Descriptive style. Enveloped by a digital realm of ever-evolving gadgets and systems, our lives are continuously molded and sculpted as we navigate through the dynamic terrain of technology. Descriptive style is employed when painting a vivid picture. This style uses sensory details, adjectives, and specific language to create mental images. It's commonly found in fiction, travel writing, and advertising. Epigrammatic style. Technology, the master sculptor, etches its mark on the clay of life. Epigrammatic is characterized by brevity, wit, and insight. This style is used in aphorisms, maxims, and memorable quotes. It conveys a thought provoking message or observation. Epistolary style. My dear friend, I have been reflecting on the undeniable fact that our lives have become inextricably intertwined with technology, shaping our existence in ways both subtle and profound. Epistolary style is like mimicking letter writing or other forms of personal correspondence. This style is often used in novels, essays, and historical documents. It creates an intimate, authentic connection between the writer and the reader. Expository style. To comprehend the extent to which technology influences our lives, one must consider the various aspects of daily life that have been transformed, ranging from communication and transportation to education and healthcare. Expository style aims to explain, clarify, and provide information about the topic. It is used in textbooks, manuals, and guides, focusing on the presentation of the facts and logical connections without expressing personal opinions. Informative style. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it has a profound effect on numerous aspects of our lives, including how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. Informative style is commonly found in articles, reports, and presentations. This style conveys facts, data, and knowledge in a clear and concise manner to educate the reader or listener. Instructive style. To understand the impact of technology on our lives, observe the ways it has altered communication, work, and leisure, and consider both the benefits and drawbacks of these changes. Instructive style is utilized in how-to guides, tutorials, and instructional materials. This style provides step-by-step directions, tips, and advice to help the reader or listener achieve a specific goal. Journalistic style. In today's fast paced world, technology remains at the forefront of change, consistently reshaping the way individuals live, work, and interact on a global scale. Journalist style is employed in news articles, investigative reports, and interviews. This style emphasizes accuracy, clarity, and impartiality, presenting information in a structured, easy to understand manner. Metaphorical style. But something went wrong with the ChatGPT 4, but these writing styles will work with GPT-3 and GPT-4. I was using GPT-4, let's switch to GPT-3. So, metaphorical style. Rewrite. Technology shapes our lives in metaphorical style. Our lives are a canvas, and technology is a brush that paints its vibrant colors and intricate details. Metaphorical style is used in metaphors and other figurative language. Metaphorical style conveys abstract ideas or complex emotions through comparison, symbolism, and imagery. It's often used in poetry, fiction, and speeches. Narrative style. Narrative style tells a story, often using a chronological structure and descriptive language. It's widely used in fiction, memoirs, and personal essays to convey experiences, ideas, or emotions through engaging storytelling. Like here, once upon a time, humans lived a simple life, devoid of the convenience and marvels of modern technology, so on and so forth. Persuasive style. That's quite a persuasion. Persuasive style is used to convince or motivate. This style utilizes strong arguments, evidence, and emotive language. It is commonly used in speeches, advertisements, and opinion pieces. Poetic style. Poetic style is characterized by rhythm, imagery, and figurative language. This style aims to evoke emotions and create beauty. It is used primarily in poetry but also in prose and song lyrics. Satirical style. Technology, the bane of our existence, the master of our souls. Satirical style is employed to criticize or ridicule through humor, irony, or exaggeration. This style is used in political cartoons, essays, and satirical works. It aims to expose flaws, hypocrisy, or absurdity in individuals, institutions, or society, often with the goal of inspiring change or raising awareness. Technical style. The persuasive influence of technology on the various aspects of human life has resulted in the emergence of an interconnected system of tools, techniques, and processes that collectively impact our daily routines, behavior, and interactions, thus shaping the overall trajectory of our existence. Technical style is used in manuals, scientific articles, and technical documentation. This style prioritizes clarity, precision, and specificity. It is characterized by the use of specialized terminology, straightforward language, and a focus on accurately conveying complex information. So these are 20 different writing styles, including default generic writing style that can be produced using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is fully capable of text manipulation in any way you like. These are most common writing styles. You can get ChatGPT to produce content in any other writing style as well. It is important to generate content in writing style that your audience require for maximum impact and result. If you understand these writing styles and deploy a relevant technique in crafting content for your target audience, you will definitely increase chances of your success. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.